Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Giant tee there. What is that?
3XL.
3XL. Big boy.
Surprised.
Big boy.
I guess I'm not so surprised that Joann's had these. I doubt they're that popular.
Yeah.
What about our heavy-set men out there?
I was going to say, we always need more 3X, more 2X, all the big sizes. Heavy-set people need shirts too.
Everyone deserves a tie-dye.
We don't discriminate, we only affiliate. Get a shirt and join today. Got a nice pleated yoke going on. We've never pleated a yoke on a giant one like this. That's cool. Giant pleated yoke.
Yeah.
Let us know if y'all are getting tired of the pleated yokes. We've been doing a lot of them, but we hadn't done any in a while before we did these, so. And don't worry, these last few you'll have to suffer through. As always, we're trying to fill out some extra inventory, some new shirt designs.
And I wanted to spiral the bottom.
Cool spiral on the bottom. Yeah, you got all that extra real estate.
Oh no, wait, let's do it a little bit higher.
A little higher. Risky boy. Oh, that's nice. That's a full spiral there too. That's a small spiral. Maybe even a medium spiral. That's a good size spiral. Got our bands. Banded up by the babes.
Bandin' babeses.
Banded with the babeses. Back when I used to do 3-part edits, when we first started uploading these tie-dye videos, I would sometimes title the middle, or the first edit, where it's like the twisting band, Banding with Babes. Twisting band with the babes. I think I've since changed them all, but I don't remember. Do a deep dive on our catalog and find out.
Okay, let's
To
take
the
it.
dyeing rack.
Okay. So this one is gonna be like a sunset.
Sunset. We love the sunsets.
Some
Sunsets are
golden.
beautiful. Some golden yellow.
With some orange.
A little bit of golden, a little bit of orange. Hello.
Hey, how are y'all?
Pretty good. How about you?
And
Glacier blue. Oh, no. Dragon fruit. Sorry.
yeah.
Dragon fruit.
So hot.
I know. It's sweltering out here. Oh, the glacier. Nice spiral.
Yeah.
Some limers.
Actually, let's do some like
Granny apple. Granny apple
Mix
green.
it up.
Granny apple green. Glacier blue. Dragon fruit. So we're back fighting the battle of the overheating GoPro, people. Hopefully we can make it through this one. Don't know where it shut off at.
Just bear with us just a bit longer, you guys.
Yeah, we're getting there. Oh, color-wise, I might have already said it. I don't know if you heard it or not, but all told, on this one we have Granny Apple Green, Glacier Blue, Deep Orange, Dragon Fruit, Golden Yellow.
Alright. Okay. Let's take him.
To the drying rack.
He's going on the second shelf.
Middle shelf. Where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.